Seconded by Councillor Mandry. Those in favour, please show. And those against? And abstention? Any abstention? One. Right. And we'll call it 2. That's the one where it starts subject to the prior completion of leave agreement. Proposed by Councillor Brayford. Who said that there? Oh, right. Okay. Right. With all the conditions and with the second section of the recommend down there, and I'm a proposer, this is for permission. Unless there's a counter proposal.
Oh, can we clarify? Yes, because our copies.
I've got numbers on them. We haven't got a 1, 2 and 3.
No, I put in 1 and 2 where the dots are, just to.
Oh, well,
that's my
fine. I'm glad we knew that.
The first paragraph we've just agreed, where it says recommend below, and then the rest of it, including the planning commission.
So that's what's remained of the document.
Yeah. How do you? Right. Subject to the amendments that we've already approved, yes? That is that 48 comes back to the council. That's to do with all the laying of the cables and so on and so forth. And the amendment you put forward. Right.
I strongly believe that there are, within these conditions, there are a number of very important issues which I strongly believe should come back to committee for consideration. There are some which I certainly, in a normal planning issue, would be dealt with by officers. But I think there are some very important ones in here which we as members should make the decision on. So I am not happy with the situation of it just being referred back to officers to make the decisions. I mean, I'm starting, I suppose, from the point that I'm assuming that there's going to be a full application from the applicant relating, so therefore the final height, the condition of the converter will actually come back for decision. Thank you. I think on that basis I will leave it at that, because I think that is the important issue, is that we need to see what the final converter station is going to look like. I mean, we have said within these conditions a maximum of 22 metres in height. It may come back less than that, and we will also know what all of the electronics are going to be within it, and also we will know everything else about it which can be rechecked and retested by consultants again when we know all of the final. Am I correct on that? Thank you.
I think Councillor Price is correct on that for the building, but not for the cabling under the airfield. This is a hybrid application where full planning permission is being requested for the routing and the depths of the effects of the cable. So I think that's strictly true, isn't it, that we're actually granting full permission for the cable, or being asked to, where it is located and the depth that's been currently stated.
Except that for condition 48 comes back to the committee for deliberation, so that we're satisfied that it meets all the requirements of the magnetic problems. Okay. Right, proposer and a seconder, please. Planning commission, subject to the conditions and the additional bits and pieces. That's the outline for the converter station. Yes.
Chairman, the resolution will be taken on the application as a whole.
Proposed by Councillor Cartwright, seconded by Councillor Evans. Those in favour, please show. And those against? 2. Right, planning permission is granted.